So when I bought this coach that we now call Sue, we bought it at General RV, and they put these terrible stickers on them, and it's probably well documented that we've had some problems with General RV. I'm happy to say that they are making it right, or at least better. But I still felt like this is kind of gaudy, and I've got a surprise that I'm going to replace this with right now. First thing I had to do though is bug and tar remover and get all the sticky stuff off of it first, and take them off the coach, and I can't wait to show you what we're about to replace it with. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the surprise. We got new YouTube Full-Time Freedom Run decals, and I'm about to put this one on. We got some extra, maybe we'll give some away. Leave a comment about what you would do with this if you want it, and maybe we'll send it out to you for free. So of course I cleaned the area, I let it dry. Got all that waxy, sticky stuff off of there. Pull this off like that. Got to center it nice. Now listen, I'm grateful there's an actual line here, but most of the time you should probably, like, you know, make it even and everything like that. So what I like to do is go from edge to edge. So I plant this edge here like that. Make sure that's even. That looks even. And just start working your way. I've got a little card here. Just start working it. And here's the point behind it is, you know, and maybe you get your own brand, of course. You know, we're driving down the highway and we're just getting a lot of, you know, people, of course, they're looking at this coach, it's beautiful. But, you know, they may want to know, you know, what it is that you do. And so you never know, they could be run down the road and they see this YouTube thing and they'll jump on their phones and check you out right then and there. And they may even subscribe. Imagine that. Hey, did you know that subscription to subscribe is free? It's crazy, I know. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. So here's the reveal. Y'all ready? I like to go from this side. It's a little bit, works a little bit better because it's bigger letters. And it looks good. Looking good. Everything looks good. Yeah. Kind of like, oh yeah, that looks great. Voila! General RV sticker, no more. In a couple other places on the coach, and it was nice and sunny out today, but it is now cold and miserable in Michigan. It's, believe it or not, it's April, I think it's like the 18th, and it's supposed to snow and rain this evening. So there it is right there. That's one. sticker. Had a little bit of an issue with this one because I was stupid and put wax. I cleaned it with wax first. Don't do that. Not real smart. And then the last place that I put it on, this one went real easy. Had to take all the general RV sticker off of it, but it looks really good. So from a distance, you know. So here's the thing. I didn't want it to be like ultra gaudy. I didn't want it to be, you know, big old stickers on the back and all that. Plus my wife didn't want that either. So it's just little, understood, 3 little stickers. Probably put one on the back of the Mini Cooper that we haul behind it. But there you go. Full-time freedom run. We made sure that we left it kind of general with our logo, because you may be desiring or doing a full-time freedom run on your own, and you might want that sticker. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think below. Hey, and also, while you're at it, subscribe.